This week was the start of hurricane season. Are you ready? Joining us to talk about how to protect your home this season is Chief Customer Officer at PGT Innovations, Debbie LaPinska. Welcome, Debbie.
Hi, Stephanie, thank you. We think about hurricane season. I think it's still fresh in everyone's mind what happened last year with Hurricane Ian, so now is really the time to prepare and get ready for the season.
Tell me what people can do to prepare for the hurricane season.
Well, the first thing is right now there is My Safe Florida, that is a program that the legislature put in place where people can actually have an inspector come out to their home and do an inspection to help them understand what they need to do to mitigate their home to protect it from hurricanes.
Let's talk a bit about impact-resistant products.
Sure. So PGT Innovations, since after Hurricane Andrew in 1992, has been influential in the codes and what the codes need to be. There is impact-resistant windows and doors that we manufacture here in Florida, making sure that they're tested and approved by the Florida Building Code. And then also the benefit of having the impact-resistant windows and doors is that you don't have to do anything to prepare for the hurricane. You basically shut your window, lock it, and you're protected, and you don't have shutters and plywood that are needing to be installed at the time. So really what it's all about is when a hurricane comes, the openings need to be protected. That's where most of the damage comes in.
When should homeowners start preparing?
Now. Actually, you want to be prepared before the hurricane, but there's never a right or wrong time. They should just be doing it because all of these programs that are available through the state are for them to take advantage of doing that. Plus, they also receive insurance benefits. If their home is mitigated, they can see an insurance discount as well.
Where can people find more information?
Well, they can go to My Safe Florida Home website and they'll find out about how to get the inspection and get the cost covered by the state of Florida. They'll also find out about the free tax credit that's going on, which continues on through June of 2024. And that's only if they put impact-resistant windows and doors in their home. Or they could go to our website, www.pgtinnovations.com, and the list of our products available to protect their homes.
For more information, go to pgtinnovations.com.